In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the letters and the actual account and print the letters and log in as a student in the public module. In the cheater, I'm going to type the word public, and I'm going to pick the first one, the public administration. I need to generate the accounts, and you've probably already watched the first video where you set up the configuration, the application configuration. That has to be done first. Now I'm ready to do the account letter, so I need to generate the account. So I click account generation. I recommend that you only do student accounts, not guardian. Date limited is what I recommend, and here are the dates where you want these accounts to be active. I want to say from today, and you can always hit T and that turns to today, to, let's say to the 31st, which is what I set up the configuration previously. Existing accounts, I want those to be reset. So if they had an account last year, reset it. Down in this search criteria, I want to enable accounts for all students. So I'm going to leave last name, first name blank. I want males, females, homeroom date. I'm going to use a day after I know Christmas break is over. I want active and non-residents. I don't need to make accounts for students that are open enrolled elsewhere to another district, resident attending elsewhere, etc. I don't need to select the grade levels because I have the high school in context is going to do accounts for all the high school grade levels. And I'm just going to click preview the students. I get a listing. Here's the existing accounts they have. And if I scroll down and create accounts, then it's going to reset them all. Next, I need to generate the letters for the students so they can actually log on. And to do that, I need to click back on the breadcrumb trail, and I'm going to do account information letter. For sake of time, I'll just do the last name starts with A student, so I'm going to type A in the last name and perform the wildcard. Down here, the homeroom date, I'm going to make sure I use that same date so I know students are in the building. Letter types to generate, I want to leave this as student accounts only. I don't want to make guardian account letters. This letter verbiage I have cut and pasted from the documentation. Usernames and passwords are case sensitive, and the last 4 characters of the username in the entire password contain only the numbers 0 through 9 and letters A through F. So there will never be a letter O, and that's what this says. So last name starts with A. I'm going to submit this, and it's going to go to my management screen. And I wait for that to finish, and it already has. Another smart thing to probably put on these letters is the URL to the public module so your students can get logged in. And what you'll want to do is print these letters off and hand them to the students. Then they can enter their username and password and get online.